Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia 6.1 and today I'll show you how to clear browsing data. So start off, open up the browser that you use. For me it's Chrome, which is the default one for this device. And then just tap on the, well, normally there are three little dots up here, but there's an arrow for, I guess, an update. Doesn't really matter, so whatever you see, tap on here. And then go into history. And from here you can remove each entry individually by just tapping on an X like so. Or you can tap on clear browsing data right here. And then select the time period that you wish to remove. So you have options from hour, 24/7, days, 4 weeks, and all time. I'm just gonna choose all time. And then you also have browser history, cookies, media, license and site data, and cache, images, and files. So you can also choose whichever one you like, apart from the browsing history. I'm just gonna keep again everything just to make it clear, basically remove everything. And then you just tap on clear data and clear. And as you can see now, everything is gone. That's basically the page where previously there were a bunch of sites. So that's how you clear browsing data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.